Welcome back, guys. We are here just for you at the Geneva Motor Show, and we want to have a quick look at everything here in the Geneva Motor Show. But we start first with this brand new AMG GT4 doors. It is a really great car. We're going to have a quick look at the outside and the inside and make you feel everything that they have made about this incredible car. So let's start with the front. So we have this really great looking front with the all new design of Mercedes-AMG. You can find the front grille, which is quite similar to the AMG GT, GTS or GTR. It's really a great looking one. The bumper is really aggressive. It's just fantastic. You have those beautiful headlights, LED headlights, in kind of dark, gloss dark. It's really nice to see, and it goes really well with the white color. For the wheels, we find kind of the same style as we have on the GT Coupé or Cabrio. Really great looking one. We have those magnificent 21 inches here in black. Really nice. At the back we can easily recognize the GT style. Even if it's in 4-door coupe, you can recognize that it has the style of a GT. And we also have that really nice ring here that you can pop out just by pushing the button. Exhaust tips are also really nice here in glossy black. It's just beautiful to see, and it gives a great look at the car.
Ietsje sneller, denk ik.
So as I told you, if you have a look at the AMG GT, you can see it's pretty similar in the front. We have just the headlights, which is kind of different, but you see the bumper, the grille, it has the same aggressivity, and it's really good to see, really nice. So let's now have a look at the inside. Inside is just amazing. You feel the AMG spirit in it. It's really beautiful, well made. We have really nice materials. You feel here the carbon fiber here on the door panels. Nice leather, nice Alcantara here on the rooftop. Really nice. And we found back this here dashboard, the design we have in the last Mercedes, with a huge double screen here in the middle. In the first screens you have all the gauges and you can change it as you want. Have a different gauges. You want to have the RPMs, the speed, everything. You can have it digital in the classic way. You can just choose what you want. Steering wheel is also really nice. We have got a nice leather and glossy black parts here. Paddle shifts, really nice here behind. And here also the commands to change all the sport configuration you want to have, track, race, sport mode, normal. You can choose it here. Yeah, the back you can see it's still a family car. You can have 4 persons in the car really easily and still feel the AMG GT spirit. So here on the dashboard we have a lot of information. We can change it as we want. We have all the information about the engine, the comfort, suspension, if you don't have a lot of noise or not with the exhaust, how you want to feel the AMG spirit, if you don't have it really aggressive sport, race or track mode. It's really fun. I just have a look. You have also this nice G meter here. If you want to feel how fast or how aggressively you're accelerating. Boost to see how much power you're giving. The motor is giving. And here we have also the configuration for the clutches, the gauges. Here's the sport looking one. They have the classic looking one, and the super sport was the one we saw in the beginning. And on the second screen you can find back everything you want to configure about the seats, the climate controls. You can really choose everything the way you want to ride with the car. And you can also register everything you do. If you want to have records of how fast you've been performing on a racetrack. Here you have different modes you can change. If you want to have a reduced mode, moderate, sport or dynamic one. About the transmission, you can have it normally in drive mode or in manual mode. You can choose about the dynamics. You have pretty much configurations you can choose. Suspension, comfort, sport plus, exhaust system. If you have kind of mild one, or if you have a pretty powerful one, so that all the neighborhood can hear you. also the other
Also in der Tat recht eng, aber
things you can change navigation like you already are the classic ones. But I think the most interesting one is still the configuration you can do on the car. And as I told you, here in the middle you can see more tiny screen displaying the option you can change. We have here the exhaust, the little spoiler on the back, start and stop, volume button. Here we can change the driving modes. So if you change it here, you see on the screen you have different configuration. Transmission, manual or drive mode, suspension, sport, sport plus, classic, comfort, and the traction control here. And you can also change it here on this really nice button here. You change it, you put it in sport plus, sport mode, or comfort one. You have also the individual, you can configure as you want, the way you want it. And here we have other ones, traction control and start and stop button.
es passt nicht von der Optik, dieses riesen Cockpit oben, diese Rundung da, und was ich ehrlich gesagt finde, diese aufgeblätterte.
Ja, das ist schon it's too much, oder?
Ja, das ist von so ein paar Dingen zusammen.
Brauchen wir es technisch für ein Hybrid oder diesen Design-Element?
Das erinnert mich also an den Porsche mit
So thanks for watching. This was it for the AMG GT4 Coupé. It's a really nice car we have seen, and thanks for watching. There are a lot of people following us, and thank you, and keep subscribing and following us. Thanks.